If birds fly low, expect rain and a blow. Oh, now that's a handy weather proverb to keep in mind. Imagine stepping outside and noticing birds swooping closer to the ground than usual. According to this age-old saying, that behavior is a sign that stormy weather is on the horizon. It's like the birds are nature's own meteorologists, warning us of impending rain and strong winds. So, if you spot those feathered forecasters flying low, you might want to grab your umbrella and secure any loose items because a downpour and blustery conditions could be headed your way. Thanks, birds, for the heads up.